Hello! Humanity's in a bit of a state at the moment. We need to save the bees, clean the seas, plant some trees. Most importantly is my lack of Maltesers. I made a Malteser dispenser. Although watching the 3D printed rack and pinion mesh together is nice, I thought that this isn't cool enough. So I made a simple Flask website which will make a GPIO pin high for a little bit when traffic is detected. This is received by the corpse of the biscuit dipper board, resulting in web controlled Maltesers. I felt like this wasn't good enough though, so I made another program which will turn text into a QR code. I used this to make a QR code which linked to my site. With the use of this invention, never again will humanity have to get Maltesers out of the box. Some say that the invention of the Maltesernator rivals the invention of the wheel, but this implies that they seem to be equal. And when have you ever seen a wheel give people chocolatey balls when they scan a QR code? Let's see what my PR team thinks of this invention.